Don't need any of this. Okay. Oh, it's dark. Why is it so dark? Oh, it's so dark. Ooh. Uh-huh. Do-do-do. Right? There's no way I missed it. Because this is all just... Yeah, this is all just train station-y stuff. The salty oyster! I didn't go past it. Under the register. Under the register. The salty oyster was the bar.
There must be a button under the register.
Yeah, where's the register? Where's the register? Where's the register? What?
You hold on to this.
Yes, thank you.
That'll do.
I'm a bit... Ah! The register! Oh my gosh, I didn't even see the register. A new tonic? Pick up, return to sender. Oh, this is cool. Oh my Lanta. Wow! Oh.
Press to generate a magnetic shield.
Oh, and then throw up.
Hold to absorb damage and release to throw it back.
Nice. Oh, that's cool. That's very cool.
Hold and release to create an explosive trap.
Interesting. That's very cool. I love that. Okay, I'll be right back. I just gotta take care of something real quick. Okay, here we go. Pick up fusion.
Perfect.
Really? We just risked our lives for a bit of titillation?
I think I knew her. Worked at a bar on Houston Street.
I bet you did.
Wait. How would you have known her? How would you have known her, Booker? You've never been here before.
You have been transfused, brother, into a new reality. But your body rejects the cognitive dissonance through confusion and hemorrhage. But we are together, and I will mend you. For what separates us now but a single chromosome?
You're dead. I don't see him.
Where?
I've got ammo!
Ammo would be great. Ammo would be great.
Catch,
Thank
Booker.
you.
Thanks.
Boom. 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 Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's see, let's do this. Okay, now let's get on out of here.
Here's some cash.
Oh, thank you.
Much obliged.
Boop. Yeah, let's get on out of here. Keeper of the sword is Comstock. Wow. Keeper of a bad attitude. That's who Comstock is. Got him.
These lock when we pass through.
Yeah.
We won't be able to.
Yeah, I
return.
know. I know. We're good. We're good. We got everything. All right, you chill. What's up with this desk? Why can't we? Oh, we're not supposed to go back there. Oh boy, this is sad. Okay. Well, what about? But what about dinner? I don't need those. Ah, call
Can
elevator.
you open this?
It's a simple dual dial lock. My book said most fools keep the combination no more than 20 feet away.
Let's hope
Wow.
we find one of those fools.
Okay. Well, are you a fool, ma'am?
This might be
Oh,
it.
is this it?
Why are you so keen on lock-picking and code-breaking?
If you put a person in a cage, they develop an interest in such things.
I suppose so.
And I won't be locked up again.
Oh. Oh! 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 You shouldn't be looking at it, Booker. It's gonna see you. Oh! Oh! Oh boy.
Elizabeth,
Yeah? What? There we go.
Elizabeth,
Promise me.
I will stop him.
Oh boy.
That is an oath you cannot keep.
What?
Promise me that if it comes to it, you will not let him take me back.
Oh!
It won't come to that,
Ah!
all right?
Oh! Okay. That happened, I guess. Okay. Yeah, I guess we're leaving. That happened. Weird. Downtown Emporia. I love how every area is just like its own section of town. What? 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 Oh no.
Look, Fox are tearing this place apart.
Oh boy. Eee, who's fighting? Oh, that's gonna hit us. I knew it.
Do it.
A crank gun. What are we doing? What am I doing? Oh! Wait, come back. There we go. Wait, what are we doing down here? Oh, they're all gonna fight each other. I see how it is. I see how it is. Hold on, hold on. So this is where the elevator was supposed to land, I guess? Woo! This is cool. Oh, I can land them on the roof. That's sweet. I'm just kind of taking a joyride here just so I can see what's going on. Yeah, we'll hit this spot next. What we got going on here? Nice. Dunskies. Ah! Nice. You're done. Good, good, good. Ow, ow. Boom. What? Oh, a decoy. That's cool.
Drive him into the open.
Ow.
Here, ammo.
Oh, it's the
Perfect
that's the rifle. I don't want the rifle. Boom. Oh, he's got a long way down to go. Oh, that sounded like the bird. Oh, that sounded like the big bird. Oh.
Watch out.
Ow! I see that. Ow! Nice. Boom. Yeah. What? Flush who out? I'm here.
I haven't found anything.
Ooh, that looked like it hurt. What? Who are we driving? What in the Huda? Who's in the what's up? You alright there, Elizabeth? Don't you go down on me. Yeah. No. 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 I'm exploring. Ooh. Where are you? Yeah? Ah. Darn it. I don't know how I'm supposed to hit you. Nice. Boom. Wow. Boom. Nice. Oh yeah, that works, I guess. Where? Oh, what? I didn't like any of this. There we go. Wow, that was a lot. Holy cow. Oh, hairpin lock. Don't want that. Because that's probably the way. Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. What? What? Where are we going? Oh boy. My goodness, this place is big, guys. Okay. Bum. Oh my goodness, this is so much. Holy cow.
Got a lock, needs picking.
Boop. Oh boy. What are we doing here? Elizabeth, Elizabeth? There you go, hurry.
Done.
Thank you, Elizabeth. Yes, I need one of these.
I had trapped the atom in mid-air. Colleagues called my Lutece field quantum levitation, but in fact it was nothing of the sort. Magicians levitate. My atom simply failed to fall. If an atom could be suspended indefinitely, well, why not an apple? If an apple, why not a city?
Well, I mean, I guess that's true. Yeah. Okay, so that's everything up there. Anything cool up here to do? Is there any viewpoint stuff to play with? That's the big question. I didn't see any viewpoint stuff. I didn't see any looking. Oh, there's a thing down there though. Hold on. Oh, pfft. Hairpin lock. Is that where I'm supposed to go? Okay. Oh my gosh, there's so much to explore. So much to explore. Okay, what do we got here? Fire rate increase. Damage boost for pistol. I'm not seeing. Hand cannon. Yes. Nice. The hand cannon, I believe, is fully upgraded at this point. Crow boost. Decrease the salts necessary to use possession. I really should upgrade possession. This is the one I use the most. That is the one I use the most. Oh, speaking of which, I don't have salts. Elizabeth, do you have salts? I don't have salts. I don't have salts. I need salts. I have salts. Give me some money back. Nice. Nothing. Okay, nothing. Boom, 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 boom. Weird, it's a me from another dimension. How weird is that? Okay. So what is this? Hairpin lock.
Need some help with this?
Interesting. Very
Back
interesting.
there at the shop. What you asked me to do.
Let's not discuss it.
No, what did that thing do to you?
If he were to take me back, that's death,
Uh-huh.
Mr. DeWitt. Or something so like it I cannot tell the difference.
Uh-huh. Whoa. The founders will bleed. Oh boy.
You shouting John!
What?
Righteous fury!
What? Sir? 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 Hold still. Oh, he's done. Oh. Oh boy. Now this is some getting to some like rapture dark scary stuff right here. Oh boy. Okay. More lockpicks, which is good.
Can you get this
Yes,
Looks
I just
similar.
got 3 lockpicks.
It's done.
You sink. Anything else? Don't need the sink. Excuse me, Elizabeth. More money. Okay. Wow. This is a lot.
More money.
Thank you. Okay, we're still going the wrong way, which is good. I just want to do some exploring so then when we come back here, I don't have to explore. I can just run through and do the story. You know what I mean? 3
Take a look at
lockpicks.
this.
Let me see.
Man, this place is very dark and spooky. Okay. Ooh, yes. Health, or not health. Salt upgrade. Do. Yes, salt infusion. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, boom, boom, boom. Oh, boom, boom, boom. Oh, whoa. Ah, so we could have gotten that perk at any time, which is cool. Ah! Comstock house. So I bet if we go... Whoa, whoa. Wait a minute. Wait. Yeah, so why is it saying... Now it's saying that this is the right way? So it must mean that... I don't know what you're shooting at, my dude.
Patriot, kill it!
Ow!
Ammo, take it!
Thank you! Boom! Woo-hoo. Okay, stop.
That's all I have right now.
Ooh. My gosh. Thank you for the salts. Okay. Very windy. This is all very windy.
Little help.
Let me have a look.
Holy cow.
There.
Ah, yes. Chocolates. Chocolates. I love chocolate. Good, good, good chocolate. Nice. What does this do? Do I get stuff when I eat chocolate? Brief invulnerability. Oh, very cool. I'll take it, but again, I'm not much of a skyline fighter. Unless I have to, so... not gonna be my main focus. What?
Looks abandoned.
What? Where? What? I don't see the lab. Ooh, that's cool. Does it give me cool access to new stuff?
Go ahead. I'll be fine.
No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't give me anything cool. No cool accessible things here.
To control me.
Oh no! More tear problems. Let me do this real quick. Oh, I'm over time.
Want to hold on to this?
No, I'm over time. Oh boy. Alright, so that's where I'm going to end this. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been a lot of fun. Made a lot of progress on this too, so can't wait to come back and play some more. Thank you guys again. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!